Thinking about a job in food service, your very first step is the food handler's test.
Seriously, if you're aiming for a pro kitchen, this certification is an absolute must-have.
And hey, this is way more than just wiping counters. It's about keeping people safe.
So, what's actually on the test? Let's break it down. Knowing this stuff is key.
Okay, the test really hones in on 4 main topics. Food safety basics is the big one.
You've got about an hour for around 50 multiple-choice questions. The magic number to pass? 75%.
All right, feeling brave? Let's do a quick pop quiz and see how you do.
First question's about cleaning. What's the real reason this is so crucial in a kitchen?
All right, here are your choices. Think about it. Which one is the most important reason?
And the correct answer is B. It's all about stopping cross-contamination and killing those nasty germs.
Okay, on to question 2. What's the main culprit behind foodborne illnesses? Let's see.
Take a look at these. Could it be just one thing? Or maybe all of them?
Yep, it's D. All of the above. Any of these can lead to some really serious problems.
Last one. Let's talk about pests. Why is pest control a total non-negotiable in the kitchen?
Okay, check out the options. What's the #1 health and safety reason on this list?
You got it. The answer is C. Pests are a huge source of contamination and disease.
Feeling a bit stressed? Hey, don't sweat it. There's a really smart way to get prepared.
This is where Easy-Quizzz comes in. You can practice anywhere and actually simulate the real exam.
It's like having a study buddy in your pocket. You get realistic practice and instant feedback.
So, passing the test is great, but what does this really mean for your career?
Well, it opens up way more jobs. We're talking promotions and maybe even more money.
The goal here? Nail it on your very first try. And you absolutely can.
So, are you ready to level up your skills and kickstart your career in the food industry?